The following is a release from the People's National Party Media Unit.
This is Valentin Wendt, MP candidate for North East Manchester. I just read in the papers this morning where MP candidate Audrey representing the JLP North East Manchester, pledged to distribute 50 water tanks specifically to JLP workers. I strongly condemn this act. This comment is a blatant example of political tribalism and represents a dangerous approach to distributing scarce resources. It is appalling and deeply troubling that a candidate seeking to represent the people will openly declare that basic necessities like water storage tanks will be reserved for those who are aligned with your party. This is not leadership. This is political corruption cloaked in partisanship. Public resources, especially vital infrastructure like water tanks during a time of drought and water crisis, must never be used as political tools to reward loyalty. I certainly hope that this is not public resources that is being used to fund parties and election promises. Every Jamaican, regardless of party color, deserves equal access to services and assistance. The role of an MP is to uplift the entire constituency, not just a select few wearing party colors. The People's National Party utterly rejects this vulgar, divisive, and outdated style of politics. As the next MP for North East Manchester, I will ensure that fairness, equity, and governance are the hallmark of everything that I do. All citizens, whether you support the PNP, the JLP, or no P at all, will be assisted as long as they are in need. I urge voters to demand higher standards from those seeking to represent you in public offices. We must put an end to the use of state resources as political gifts. The time for better governance and people-centered representation is now.
Visit our website at pnp.org.jm or check us out on Facebook at Jamaica PNP.